Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in to my channel today. Today I will be making my DIY deep conditioner. Stay tuned if you want to learn how to make it.
Avocado helps to prevent hair loss and promotes hair growth. Using avocado in a conditioner or a hair mask is the best way to promote regular hair growth. Eggs are incredible and rich in protein. Protein helps to strengthen the hair follicles, making them less prone to breakage. Banana can increase the moisture content of your hair and smooth the frizz. Honey helps to regulate and retain moisture in your hair. Plus, honey is said to strengthen the hair follicles for healthy growth. The benefits of coconut oil for hair includes manageability of your hair with less breakage, increases the body and shine of your hair as well. Olive oil will help lubricate that dry hair and regulate oil in normal hair. It contains vitamin E, which is rich in one of the best vitamins for hair growth.